Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you backup camera installation done in a very poorly way on a vehicle. So the first thing, the customer came over and says the backup camera stopped working, and we were trying to search the problem. We opened where the connections are, and the first thing we notice is that the wire is out, and as we can see, this wire is at 12 volt, so which means the system did not get the power, and we see the connection where it was supposed to be. Yeah, the connection was taped, but as we can definitely see, it wasn't soldered or connected properly. So probably when the customer pulled the hood lever or something, might have pulled this wire out. The next thing we saw is how the system was actually getting the power. So this is another case of those situations when someone pulls out a fuse, push a wire behind the fuse and put the fuse back. Now the problem with a situation like that is, first of all, you're pushing away the fuse that might get loose, might come out. Second thing is, I don't know if they actually tested if they are taking the power from where the fuse gets its power or after the fuse, which means if it's after the fuse, instead of protecting one system, the fuse is protecting two systems now, and the fuse is not big enough. Again, this is not the correct way to install. We recommend only soldering all the connections to do it correctly. Make sure it's done, make sure it's not gonna get loose, make sure it won't just fall out when somebody touches it by mistake. It also looks better and nobody will touch it when they open their fuse box. To do a proper installation for any electronics in the vehicle, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel on the left corner, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.